Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. In this video, we'll be showing you how to add and use custom fonts using the Warhead Theme Builder page settings. A custom font is simply a web font that can be used to customize the look and feel of any text-based elements on your website. To get started, we simply need to go to the Warhead Theme Builder page settings by clicking the settings cog here. And as you can see, there are many different types of page settings, but the custom fonts have their own section right here. Now, we already have one custom font that's been added, but to add more custom fonts, you simply click Add Custom Font, and that'll open up the name and URL settings. Now, the custom font name is what's used to identify the font. So we're going to be adding Open Sans today. So we type that name there, and the custom font URL is what links to the custom font on the web. So this is a Google font, so we've copied and pasted the Google Fonts code, and you can see it here. Now that you have the name and the URL added, you'd simply click Save, and there you go. Your custom font is saved right here. Now, to modify a custom font that's already been added, you can simply click on it and modify it as needed. Now, to apply a custom font, you would simply go to any area in the theme builder that allows you to update text style rules. And you simply click the text style rules there, and as you can see, the site's currently using this font, but we want to change it to the font that we just added. Just like that. You can see it updates right in the preview, live in real time, right in your browser. Now, any custom fonts that you've added will show up in this list here. There you have it. You've just seen how quick and easy it is to add a custom font using the Warhead Theme Builder page settings. Thanks for watching.